Hello there. Are you looking to change the background in your Vimeo videos? Look no further. Here is a simple step-by-step tutorial for achieving this effect. First, search for the AI Webcam Effects extension and add it to your Chrome browser. Once you have downloaded and installed the extension, navigate to Vimeo and start recording a new video. As soon as your video preview is opened, open the AI Webcam Effects and sign in with your Google account to remove the watermark and unlock the premium features. Then turn on the extension and select the quality profile to ensure that the extension detects you on video much better. Choose the type of background that you want, such as color, image, video, or leave it unchanged and blur it with the selected strength. Moreover, with the AI Webcam Effects extension, you can improve your video with many different effects like smiles, beautifying yourself, zooming your face, and enhancing the colors of the video. And if you want to hide your video for some time, you can use the overlay screen feature. Now, you can enjoy different backgrounds in your video and improve it with other effects. That's it for our simple tutorial. We hope this guide helps you. Enjoy using the AI Webcam Effects extension.